Hey, and welcome to module 2.1, and this is the first video where we are going to talk about what you can expect from this module. Now, the module, of course, is called Getting Started with Clever Messenger, and it has its own module goal. At the end of this module, you created a basic chatbot that greets and welcomes people. It has a functional default reply, plus your chatbot has a main menu helping users to navigate through your chatbot in an easier way. Now, together with the video you are watching right now, we have 7 videos in this module, and now you're obviously watching this video right here, what to expect from this module. The next video will go about how to connect your Facebook fan pages to Clever Messenger so that you can actually use your Facebook pages and attach a chatbot to them. Then in the next video we are going to show you how to set up a greeting text, a little snippet of text that is shown to a person that's about to become a subscriber of your chatbot. So a little snippet of text. We teach you how to make it engaging enough so that they actually click on that Get Started button, so that they actually get into your chatbot and become a Messenger subscriber. Then after they click that Get Started button, you want to send out a welcome message. And we are going to show you how you do this in this video. It's actually pretty straightforward, and this is the first time you are going to dabble with the Flow Composer, or the visual builder, if you will. And then you are going to discover how to set up a default reply. Now, a default reply is basically a simple reply that goes out to the subscriber whenever they put something into the chatbot does not recognize. So this way you can always set up a default reply that goes out by default, basically mentioning something, would you like to connect with a human, or is there something I can help you with, etc. Then in this video you're going to discover how to set up a main menu, a little hamburger menu that's visible at the bottom of your chatbot, and once people click on it, it will reveal a menu, basically with buttons that can lead to a website or can trigger other messages in your chatbot. Then finally, but certainly not least, we're going to lead out with the roundup and action points, a couple of action points you need to take in order to complete this module and attain the goal. And with that said, just have a lot of fun, and once you reach the action point videos, good luck.